In this video, you will learn how to type degree symbol on Mac. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Pro, and in today's video, you will learn 3 methods to type degree sign on Mac, including the keyboard shortcut to type degree sign. So without any further delay, let's get started. Out of the 3 methods I'm going to show you today to type degree symbol on Mac, the first method involves using Emoji keyboard. For that, you simply need to activate Emoji keyboard to the place where you want to type a degree sign. To activate Emoji keyboard on your Mac, you simply need to press Ctrl, Command and Space together, and this will show Emoji keyboard. Now from here, you simply need to click on this icon which is in the top right corner. When you click on that, it will show the character viewer window, and you can see here we get all the emojis. And by the way, there is another method as well to activate this character viewer. You simply need to close this and go to edit menu from the top, and when you are in edit menu, you can see in the bottom here we get emoji and symbols. So click on that, and this will also activate the character viewer window. Now here we get a search tab in the top right where you may type anything and the emoji related to that keyword will appear. So let's type degree, and when we type DEG, here you can see there is degree symbol including the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit is available here. So to use this degree sign, you simply need to double click on this, and this will type the degree sign where your cursor is. So let's double click on it, and you can see it has typed the degree sign here. And by the way, you may also add this to your favorites, so you may access it later again and again without having to search for degree. So simply click here to add to favorites, and you will see here in your favorites. So the next time you need to use the degree symbol on Mac, simply press Ctrl, Command and Space, and here in favorites double click on this, and it will type the degree symbol on Mac. So this is how you type degree symbol on Mac using emoji character viewer. Now let's move on to the second method. Now the second method is very interesting, because if you are in Apple ecosystem, you may create your own custom keyboard shortcut and use that to type degree symbol on Mac as well as iPhone. If you are wondering how to do that, then keep watching. To create your own custom keyboard shortcut to type degree sign on Mac or iPhone, first you will need to copy the degree sign on your clipboard. For that, you may simply copy from here, or if you don't have this one, you may also go to any browser and type degree so that you will get the degree symbol to copy. Let's open Safari and type degree, and here we have got the degree symbol. So we just need to copy this. Let's open this and simply copy this to clipboard, and once copied, you have got the degree symbol on your clipboard. Now we are going to create the custom keyboard shortcut. For that, you simply need to go to system settings, and once system settings opens, from the left menu items, scroll down until you see keyboard, and once you see keyboard, click on that. This will open keyboard settings. Here you see text replacement option, so click on that, and here in text replacement you will simply enter any shortcut to replace it with degree sign. For that, we will click on this plus icon to add a new one, and in replace we will simply type degree or DEG, any shortcut that you may remember easily, and in width field simply paste the degree sign that we copied earlier to clipboard. And once this is done, simply tap add. So now we have added a new text replacement shortcut, and whenever we will type DEG, this will replace it with degree sign. Let me show you that here. If I type DEG here, you can see it is showing the option to replace it with degree sign. We will simply press space, and this text will be replaced with degree sign, and this works on iPhone as well. Alright, now let's move on to the third method, where I'm going to show you the Mac keyboard shortcut to type degree sign. If you just press Shift, Option and 8 on your keyboard simultaneously, it will type degree sign, and this is the Mac keyboard shortcut to type degree sign on Mac. Let's press Shift, Option and 8, and this will type degree sign. As you can see, here we have got lots of degrees on Mac. So this is how you type degree sign on Mac. And by the way, if you want to learn how to convert photos to PDF on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.